How can I maximise my short-term rental? This depends if you already own a property or looking to purchase a property. This can vary to how you maximise your returns, but the best way to maximise your return is with your nightly room rate, length of stay and occupancy levels with upmarket clientele. So let's look at the following. Knowing the difference between serviced accommodation and short-term lets. Serviced accommodation is a type of hotel where all amenities and services are provided on site. Serviced accommodations provide you with all amenities that you need, such as food service, housekeeping services, laundry services and more. So if you're on the road and need some basic necessities, serviced apartments may be your best option for finding them. They offer a great alternative to hotels, and serviced apartments offer a homely feel, relatively cheaper than hotels, but more expensive than a short-hold tenancy for the tourist or business markets. Serviced accommodation is restricted for the purpose and unable to be lived in by the owner, and are managed on behalf of the investor. So if you have not purchased an investment property yet, then serviced accommodation is a great way to maximise your short-term rental. There are two markets to consider for investors. Here are a couple of differences between serviced accommodation and short-term lets. Primarily, the type of tenant that type of accommodation is focused towards. While short-term lets are typically advertised as holiday lets, serviced accommodation is more similar to the hotel model. Short-term lets provide investors more flexibility in the type of property, whether it be freehold or leasehold, and the finance in the way they purchase. With a growing demand, there are specialist mortgage providers in the marketplace of short-term lets, including vacation properties, which makes this market more accessible to investors. There are also less restrictions with management and occupancy by the investor or owner of the property, so this makes a win-win investment for investors. If you're looking to maximise your short-term rentals, consider what locations are in tourist areas that will provide you strong, stable returns. With 19 years experience in the vacation market, I'm happy to speak with you in person to answer any questions, and I look forward to your call.